So far, the chances are fair for every team here, but I know that the spirit still remain high. But considering the environment, the time factor, hopefully they will be not being delayed. Every team should have the same chances.
We start practicing is just middle December until last week. I think most of the rowers is quite good. They saw so much improvement. So we represent Brunei. We hope we win. So we hope we win something in this race.
This year is organized among the three ministries. It's the Ministry of Home Affairs and also Ministry of Youth, Culture and Sport and Ministry of Industry and Primary Resources. So, but we would like if this sort of event can be made into an annual calendar and into tourism calendar, that will be good for the country as well. In the spirit of ASEAN, probably we could expand the invitation further, not only to the Malaysian states on Borneo, but also to the states outside Borneo, meaning from Peninsular Malaysia or even Singapore and the Philippines or Indonesia.